Hello. Maybe you're wondering why I'm here again. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I would like to show you how to use a Keurig coffee maker. This is a Keurig that I have. This is our gift my husband during our anniversary, no? So I love this Keurig. So here, look, this Q Keurig, no? This is a coffee maker. So now, first, before you make your yummy coffee, so we have to check first the water here, okay? So there is a filter inside, so don't forget always to check the filter, okay, and change the filter. So this is the water. It must be the level is here. And of course, before you make a coffee, you need this cup. So this coffee maker is really yummy, no? Yummy coffee. You can make a yummy coffee for this. And there is a button here, no? You have to start, and then you can choose which like sizes of the cup. But first, before you're going to start, start this button, and then you open first this is, and then I have this kind of key cup. Key cup. This is for Keurig coffee. So key cup like this. So this Green Mountains coffee. There it's not only this one. There's so many kinds of brand to make a coffee. But I like this mountain blend. I'm not in like advertised, but for me, I like it. No, so if you make this one, it's much more tasty and better than Dunkin' Donuts and Starbucks. So you can also save if you have this one. So first, you have to this key cup put here inside here. Did you see? And then you have to push the button like that, and then you could see the blinking, so you can choose which one is a big cup, medium, so just not really as big, like small, and there is a extra small and small. This is large, medium, small, and then extra small. Okay, so since my cup is like this, I have to use this one, huh? This what you call that, like a small one. So then what I'm going to do is you have to press this one, huh? You have to press the bottom of this cup. Yeah, did you hear the sound? Yan. The coffee. Ew, I smell the coffee. Very yummy coffee. Oh, just like from coffee from the Starbucks. It's really good. This coffee is a medium roast coffee. I have this one. It's a medium roast coffee. Yeah. Mga kapatid, my friends and families. May I see? Oh. If you don't want like to mix like any cream, you can also use this one, just plain without the sugar. yeah, you can drink that, but some don't like just only plain, so you can add a vanilla to make it the flavor very tasty, the flavor. Okay. Okay, like this. Yeah, this is delightful cream, and then you can mix together to your coffee to make it tasty your coffee, like this. Yeah, amount of coffee, then you have a very good flavor, and then we can get a tablespoon. Yeah. Good smell now. Coffee. This coffee is from the Keurig, no? This is amazing make coffee maker. Hmm? And then you will enjoy, and then somehow who love a coffee, then you can feel complete, and then it, the coffee can wake you up, no? Hindi ka pang kung sa bagang dami kang trabaho nagagawin, mga papers work, makastay awake yung coffee. So thank you very much to my Keurig, the Keurig coffee maker, and I'm so grateful to my husband, and thank you so much. So don't forget to like, share, comments, and post the buttons, okay? And subscribe. Thank you so much, and God bless you, my friends. Don't forget that you are special. We are special. Everyone's special. So thank you, and I love you. Bye.